In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log yoga on MyFitnessPal. Quick tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a yoga session so your activity and calorie burn are reflected in your daily diary. This walkthrough works whether you're on iOS or Android, and it only takes a minute once you know where everything lives. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you haven't used it in a while, make sure it's updated so the buttons and screens match what you see here. When the app launches, look for the option to log in. Tap that to move to the sign-in screen. Here, enter your usual account credentials to access your profile. Keep your information private and only sign in on a trusted device. Once your details are in, tap the login button to continue. After a moment, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see a snapshot of your day. From the dashboard, head into your diary. This is the hub where you track food, water, and activity. Inside the diary, find the option to add exercise. Tap it to open the exercise logging area. You'll typically see categories like cardio and strength. Choose the exercise section that you use for activities like yoga, which is commonly logged under cardio because it tracks time and estimated calories. Next, select Browse All to view the full list of exercises available in the app's database. Using the search bar, type the word yoga. You'll see matching results appear. If there are multiple options, pick the one that best reflects your session. For example, gentler practices tend to burn fewer calories than more vigorous flows, so choose the entry that aligns with your intensity. Once you've tapped the yoga entry, you'll be taken to a screen where you can edit the details. Enter your duration accurately. Most entries are set by minutes. If the app estimates calories automatically, you can leave that as is or adjust it if you have data from a fitness device. You can also add a note to remind yourself what style you did or how you felt. When everything looks good, tap the check mark or save button to confirm. You'll be returned to your diary with yoga now listed under exercise. Check that the total calories and remaining goals at the top have updated to reflect your session. That's it. Your yoga workout is logged and counted toward your day. If you repeat similar sessions, MyFitnessPal will usually surface your recent activities, making future logging even faster. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tracking your practice with confidence.